Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make dual app on iPhone, so let's start. So first let's go to App Store and looking for this app that says parallel space. As you can see, I'm here. Just open it. And when you open your app, just wait a little bit until this is ready to use and then just click on continue. Okay, then you can click on control or try it for free. These have a cost, so just click here, just close it, and maybe later just click on add apps. You can select the app that you prefer. In this case, let's select Facebook and then just continue. Okay, just click on add, and now you hear here Facebook, so just click here, and now you can log in on Facebook. Okay, so that's how it works. Now you can see that appears other option than Facebook here on your apps without any problem. So now you can use it, and that is how it works. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.